Is your soil hard like a rock? Hello everyone and welcome back to the plot. This is the same section of the allotment we just saw in the previous clip. Let's have a look how we got from this to this. Using a fork, we tilled the soil to a depth of roughly 4 to 6 inches, breaking down the big heavy clumps of clay. We then added half the compost and manure we had available and mixed it well with the tilled soil. We covered the whole area with a thick layer of carton. We do this to suppress weeds, but it also seems to attract a lot of worms underneath it, something that really helps with loosening up the soil and improving the structure. Then we added the rest of the material and covered up the whole area. In general, we like to follow a no-dig approach, so just a carton and compost application worked well for us in the past. Finally, we mulched with a layer of wood chips. These provide an additional weed barrier, but there are many other benefits. They help reduce the amount of times that we need to water by locking in moisture in the soil. They also encourage the development of fungal networks. And this time we decided to enhance this process by incorporating additional store-bought mycorrhizal fungi. This forms synergetic relationships with the roots of vegetables, shrubs, and trees, leading to healthier plants and better growth. We believe in not disturbing the soil structure and biology. In this section though, we had never added much organic matter for the past 3 years. This resulted in extreme compaction, and that's why this time we needed a different approach. We wanted to grow crops straight after treating this section and didn't have the luxury of waiting for 3-4 months for the benefits of the no-dig approach.
If you like the video, guys, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps the channel to grow and it means a lot to us. See you soon at the next video. We are 3 hats on the plot.